sparrow. Sneaky, sneaky. He keeps getting in too close. I wanted to show you his hair. Here, stand right there. Stay right there. All right. Head down, please. Let's see your head. Let's see your hair. I don't want to see your snozzle. Okay. Let's see your hair. Put your head down. Head down. Sparrow. Your head down. This wants to be close to me. Oh. Trying to get your head. Come this way. Because I just did your hair. Put your head down. Let me see. Let me see your hair. See that? I just did his hair. He's obsessed with me. Did I just do your hair? Huh? Who's the handsome man, huh? Who's the handsome man? Who is so handsome? Who's so handsome? Oh, it's alright. I'm just here making you a star. You want to see his jacket? Isn't that a nice jacket? Here he comes. He has to be close to me. He can't be over by the fence, so I can just look at him. He always has to come right there. You want to give me a kiss? 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 Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, I hope I got that.